This is African penis only to make the bangala big.
We don't take African penis only. You will get big bangala, big cucumber, big banana, and big penis. More endurance, more sexual drive, last longer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours on the pom pom. Chop chop with no mercy. Longer penis, longer cucumber, longer bangala. Larger penis, larger cucumber, larger bangala. Clean penis, clean cucumber, big bangala. No acne on your bangala. No affection in your bangala. No pampers on your bangala. This world gonna clean your bangala for you. The bangala, Neo. The Antigua is the number 1 on the market. Take it and don't leave it.
If you are that type of man that you have to rub your roller for 10 minutes or more before your roller can be able to stand, or during the time you are rubbing your roller, everything will come out. Or you manage to stand and you insert 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, everything will come out. And when it comes out, it becomes very soft. You have to take you like 4 to 6 hours before you can get your standing level. Let me show you.
This is African penis only to make the bangala big.
Oh no, cannot just be.